Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download WhatsApp voice messages on PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, these are some voice messages which I want to download. So first of all, if you want to download them one by one, you can just move your cursor over to the recording. Then you will see the down arrow right here. Just click there and here is the option for save as. Just click there and from now you can just easily save them anywhere you want. Now if you want to download all of your voice messages at once, for that just hit right click on voice message, then you will see the option for select. Now select all of your recordings which you want to download, then click on copy button at the top right corner. As you can see, once you copy them you can just paste them anywhere you want. So let me just paste them on my download folder, so I can just paste them right here. And now to open it, just hit right click, then go to open with, and you can use any media player you want. I'm just going with the VLC one, and yeah, you can hear the voice message. So yeah, that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.